So I decided that being the cat lady I am, I'm gonna show you my cats. First of all, this is Cupcake. This was my first cat. Stop. Stop, baby. I love her. She hates everybody but me. Well, it seems like she hates me right now too, but so say bye, Cupcake. This is Pork Chop. This is probably my nicest cat. He's the most loving one, and he likes everybody, so he's kind of like a dog. He was just sleeping, so say bye, Porky. Let me find my last cat, because I have no idea where he is. Baby. I guess maybe I should have been more prepared, because I can't find my third cat. So we'll have to find him later. And I don't want to leave you like sitting here watching nothing for more time than I already have. I'm still trying to find him. Okay, I'm sure he'll show up. So you asked me why my dad's in jail. My dad is in jail because he attempted to buy a bunch of cocaine and sell it, but it was a setup. I guess it was like some guy that he had known for quite some time. Like, I think he said like 20 years. And he probably bought drugs from him before, so basically he got set up. So that's why he's in jail. Are we close? I'm not really close, but I was starting to have more of a close relationship with him than I had in the past, and he was really stepping in as a father figure. So this happening was kind of really upsetting, because he was doing so good. Like, you know, both my parents are recovering addicts. My mom is a recovering alcoholic, and my dad is a recovering drug user. And like, they were both of them are clean. They've been clean for some years now. But I guess my dad was still selling drugs to people, which never made sense to me. Like, if you know how much it messed up your life and the life of the people you love, like, how could you sell it to other people? I got cat hair in my mouth. I got cat hair all over me, actually. But so yeah, that's why he's in jail. And I don't know, like, I don't really feel bad for him, like, you know, because it's his fault. But I'm upset that he didn't really take into consideration everybody else's feelings, like my feelings or my younger siblings' feelings, or even my other brother who was actually involved in it. But luckily he got bonded out of jail. So yeah, like my relationship with my family is kind of iffy because I didn't really grow up with them. I don't know if in New Zealand you have this, but I was in foster care from like the age of 9 until I turned 18, and I've been living by myself ever since turning 18. And reason being because both my parents are addicts. So, and I was just really emotionally fucked up when I was a kid, like really, really emotionally disturbed. So, yeah. I guess one day, like, we'll talk more about our lives and stuff, but, yeah, I wish I could have found my other cat. I have no idea where he could be at. Okay, I found out where he was. He's in my room where he's not supposed to be, and it's very difficult to get them because they crawl under my bed. So I'm gonna have to show you next time. I'm sorry for the big spaces in between the recording. So until next time, bye New Zealand.